All right. We are back, guys. How you doing? We are back live on YouTube with another trading session today, guys. Welcome. Today a little bit more late than expected. Hey, let's go. How you doing? Abhishek. How you doing, my friend? How you doing, guys? How you doing, chat? Welcome to another trading session today. And we instantly going to check out our Forex factory to see if we have any news this week so far. Today is no big impacts. Tomorrow we have some impacts. Thursday we have also unemployment claims, 2:30 New York session. And on Friday we have a big storm, as you can see here. So there's a lot of things going on in the market, a lot of things in the politics, guys, and man, I have to talk with you. I have to talk about you with the current situation, guys. Like, what is going on in the world right now is really scary, man. Like, to be honest, it's really scary if you are checking the news at the moment. Like, man, 2026 is starting like this. I mean, Trump goes for Venezuela, claimed Venezuela, and now they have like the biggest oil reserves in the world. Then North Korea is shooting something like some missiles in the direction of Taiwan, and man, then China is threatening the US to release the president of Venezuela. Then Russia is making pressure on the US to release the president of Venezuela. Otherwise, they're going to get the German Olaf Scholz. Man, like, I don't know what to say. Like, guys, I don't know if we'll be able to trade even this year. Like, when we're going to continue like this, I don't know what is going to happen. This is really scary, man. It is really scary. We are in a really dark days, I think, and I think there are going to happen things that is not going to be good for all of us, man. Because this year starting already like this steep with all of this shit, and I don't know where this is going to end, man. You know what I mean? Gold is going to all-time high because of this, of course, definitely. Like, it's pretty scary. Everything is really scary at the moment, and we need to take care about our families. We need to have a plan for the future, and we need to see what we are going to do, where we're going to go, if we're even going to survive this. And man, it's definitely some scary times if you check the news. And but let's see, guys. Okay, we have no other choice at the moment than do what we do our business, going for our jobs, living our life. But just to let you know, guys, man, this is not good at all. Okay, so let's start up with our trading day. Let's see, in the daily time frame we are still bullish, and we're going definitely to be cracking some new all-time highs soon. I'm going to mark out this all-time high candle closure here from the daily time frame. Okay, we can mark it out as 80 ATH for the all-time high. Then we are going to mark out the previous high from the daily time frame, just in here, and the previous daily low, just in case. We can delete this one. We have a zone down here, and let's start up. In the 4-hour time frame, we're going really steep up. 1 hour time frame. On our time frame, we are still in a nice push. We are reaching this level here where we had the previous crazy down push, which is the New York session above here with London. That's just the zone up here. I would love to mark this zone out because this could be interesting for us currently. Let's check out the 30-minute time frame. New York session is going to open in 30 minutes. Let's see how this 30-minute candle closure. And okay, 30-minute candle closure really weak at this point. So we have still this level here in the 30 minutes. Just like that to make a breakthrough. 50 minutes looking all the same. Let's check out here. We have the London high above here. Tokyo high also here in this mid-range inside the zone. London low we can mark out. It's an important point here. And the New York high in this mid-range. The previous session made this high here, where we have currently the previous daily high, which is just in here. Okay, so we can mark out this double. Let's see this once again. Yes, it's this line here. So here we have a nice zone. Okay, let's take this out. Let's drag this a little bit more in this middle. And we are getting a certain reaction from the market just to this. Today my discipline took over me, Onur. I took revenge trade on my first funded ACC. Which not good, bro. Why? Why? So we definitely have to wait for the zones here. Anyways, London is going, New York is going to open soon. 30 minutes. Actually, the New York session yesterday when they opened, they made the certain move I expected. They just went up for liquidity and pushed more down. Like it was close to our take profit for targets, but it didn't hit it and it reversed and like shoot it up. So currently we have a consolidated market here. As you can see, this level and this level on the top. So I'm going to mark out this zone inside here too. And then we have this two beautiful wicks at the top. We have a high rejection here. 1 minute time frame. We're getting weak at this level. As you can see, we have high rejection and fast market moves to the downside. Now we are currently on this level here, as you can see on the left side. Previously we had struggled to push through it. We make the push through, we break the zone, and now we are tapping on the zone. First time, second time, third time, and the fourth time. There's maybe a possibility that we're going to break this zone here. 5-minute candle, really bearish, 40 seconds to go. Let's wait and see, guys. Today there's a high possibility that we are going to trade the New York session because it's going to open really soon. Yes, we are breaking through the zone. How you doing, guys? How you doing today at this day, man? In Germany, everything is snowy. It's snowing a lot these days. It's really cold outside, to be honest. I have to control my mind. Yes, you have to control your emotions. Because what is controlling you is the greed inside you, that you want to come up really fast, that you want to reach a certain level, that you want to make money fast, that you want to prove everyone else that you made it. You have to control this, exactly this, with patience. When you start to see that you can turn it off, your trading plan and business is going to change. So my plan is maybe buy out, make a buying decision from this zone here, something like this, stop loss down here, and aim for these highs here. Okay, this is something I'm looking for right now because we are still in an uptrend and there are a lot of news that is really scary. So when we check the sessions, we can see London made its move from this top to this low. And what New York is allowing to do, guys, New York loves to fake and go. I would call it like this from now on. Fake and go. It's the same like grabbing liquidity and then going the primary direction. And where's liquidity right now? Here, at this area, down here. Okay, we have some buyers here. We have some early buyers. So there's a possibility New York is coming in like this, making maybe a steep fake out, pushing back into this trend line and hunting for new highs. When I make these advices, they're never 100%, guys. Okay? And also we have here a really nice zone that I'm seeing. We dipped here on this line, the 1 hour time frame. And then here we made like this big shoot up. This is the aggressive buyers. So you know here are some aggressive buyers sitting in here at the zone. I love to mark out the zone too for the aggressive buyers. And down here we have also aggressive buyers. You can see this shoot up here. So they're mostly high reactions on this certain zones down here, guys. This is what I'm looking for mostly. So we're going to have some patience today. Once again, every trading session they have to be executed with a lot of patience. We don't have any sprint to run, guys. We have a marathon, okay? An ultra marathon to make the best trading decisions. Let's check out this move with the Fibonacci to see maybe what they want to reach. So this is the mid-range more or less. If this is not the right one, then we have the option from the previous low and the previous high is this. And here is the moving average line. We can mark it out for you guys just to see how the market is going to react to the zone from the Fibonacci tool. Ah. So, oh man, this winter I'm so tired so many times, so often I'm really tired. Sometimes I'm so tired of life, guys. "50 minutes going to close on 2:45 with a big bearish movement here. Yeah, we have a lot of volume sitting in here. Which is nice because our previous daily candle high is just at the top here. So dream setup will be for today, guys. If New York is opening, pushing down to this area, getting high rejective confirmation, and shooting up with the engulfing candle and closing like this. You know, this will be dream setup in this area here. Dream setup will be like this, but we need to see how the market is going to flow so we can catch a wave. There is no need that we touch the zone. It's just depending on the information we are getting here based on the candles. $15-minute closed like this. Let's check the 5 minutes once again. 1 minute. So we break this level here. We dipped into the EMA in the 1 minute EMA. We got a certain reaction on it. We have this level here on the top now. Let's see if the 1 minute is going to reverse just from here and break this level and look for some new highs, or if we are going to continue with the down push. Oh, Jerry. How you doing, Jerry? Where's my friend Jerry? Where is my loyal friend Jerry? Blowing accounts. Why? Man, I think it's a hobby of you, man, blowing off accounts, bro. Lost all my accounts. Dude, how, bro? How? Why are you doing always the same mistakes? Man, I don't get it, bro. I don't get it. I don't get it. I really don't get it, man. Man, you make me sad. Just bought new one with my last money. Okay, you bought a new one with your last money. To blow it also just because you're making the same mistakes all the time, guys. Why are you doing the same mistakes? I mean, I did. I'm not better. I made the same in the past. Okay, I did the same in the past. I blowed also many accounts, one after one, one after one. Sometimes I was about to scratch the first challenge to pass, and then I just blow the account because emotion kicked in. Mind, yes. Maybe it's the process. It's the process of blowing off accounts until you finally understand. I haven't traded with the new one yet. Okay, then do me a favor when you trade my setups. Put a good risk management. And not going full port or any bullshit like this. Waiting for good setup, yes. Hey Jerry, don't trade anymore. Just rest and relax. Enjoy some music or movie, please. Rothschild. Yeah, Jerry. Did you listen to that? Exactly. Just don't trade anymore. Go relax. Watch a movie. Eat some good food. That's a good idea. Really, that's a really good idea. Good advice at this point, guys. Like, what can I tell you? It's a nice advice. So I'm going to set the first alarm at 52. The second alarm, I'm going to hit at 68. This is the range I'm looking for, between 52 and 68. Oh, guys, 10 minutes left for New York. And New York is going to go crazy. That's what I think. So we need to see which moves New York are doing, guys, and we need to predict it. There are 3 options New York can do, like always. The most happen option that is coming from New York is going for liquidity, then reverse. Okay, this is the most common thing New York loves to do. Goes for liquidity and reverse. Or in the other direction, goes for liquidity and reverse. These 2 options happen really often. Or the last option is they just continue with the move. Just like that. But this is not happen so often. Just continue with the move. In what direction ever they want. And we need to check what they're planning today, how they're thinking today, if they want to hunt this liquidity zone or this at the top. But as we know, with the current situation on the markets and the politics, we expect and we think that New York want to push further up. Right? It's the only thing that makes sense currently for me. But look at this big ass sell-off here, man, in one daily candle. Whew. Congrats to the one who catch that trade, man. There are some people I know that catching moves like this in a daily time frame, which is insane, man. Insane amounts of profits. Okay, guys, I'm taking just a little break. I'll be right back, okay? sell. Well, I don't think so currently, because New York is going to open in 2 minutes 30. We marked out our zones and we wait for some clear price action. We wait for some clear rejection at the zones at the top or on the bottom. Let's see what New York is going to plan. Man, I just saw some news again, and New York is threatening Mexico also to invade them, maybe Colombia, Cuba. War is starting, guys. The war is starting, man. This is the final call, man. It's already happening. Business of patience, guys. Okay, 3 seconds. Let's go. New York. Let's see what they do. Let's see what they plan. Starting off bullish. The 1 hour candle closed really weak, guys. The previous 1 hour candle. No clear confirmation currently. No financial advice at this point, guys. Gold sell now. We are going to selling this. Really quick and really fast. Okay, let's go. So let me see where we are currently. Four, 5, 8. So no financial advice, guys. We're going to sell this here. And we are aiming for this low at, let me see, the 50 mark. The 50 mark, and we are going to put our stop loss well, actually that was a really stupidity we made here with this kind of rejection candle. We have to get a wide stop loss at 69. But let's see. Let's see. Let's see if it's still going to play out as we want. Looking good. 56. $54 and 50. Okay, let's mark out our zones and let's see if this trade is going to play out as we expect or not. Set alarm, the first one at 69 is our stop loss. here at the top. This one, the 68 one, I can delete. The first TP is at 58. 58. 56. TP1. Oops. 58. It's looking good so far, guys. TP1. Man, why I cannot get this text here? TP2. TP3 is going to be somewhere here. Let me mark out these lines real quick. First one, TP2 here. 54 here. And 50 is here at TP4. TP4, just like this. Okay, wide stop loss today, guys. So make sure low risk. So we have 35 seconds to go. Would be nice if we close this way bullish, bearish. This is crazy, crazy volume right now. But tough enough to tank again. Exactly. We are like, we need to be able to tank multiple losses, guys. Like, you have to you need to have confidence in trading. Like, if you don't have it, man, don't trade. Not looking good for us. But we still have this zone here before. And this zone is aggressive sellers. Let's see. Let's be confident and let's see what's going on. Okay, we have a clear touch at the zone. You can see how the market is reacting to the touch. Now is the question, are the sellers inside the market going to push the price down, or are we going to push through? You can see this touch and this reaction here. So we just dipped in here. You see this? Now we're making a long spike to the top. Will be beautiful to close it like this. Really interesting to see. Thirty seconds to go. What a market, man. What a start of the New York session. Look at this. Insane moves to the up and downside. But I am confident. I have the confidence. I am in control of this trade. So if we hit the stop loss, it's fine. Yes, we're going for the stop loss. Number one bullshit day. SL hit. First setup failed. Well, let's see if we're going to catch maybe another nice setup. Insane push, guys. Insane push from New York currently. We're going to check for another setup. We are going to check for another setup. Depending on the market is reacting now to the zone here. If we're going to make a breakthrough or if we are going to reverse at the top here. Yes. I'm going to try this once again. No financial advice at this point. I'm going to sell this just in here once again. Just at the 67 mark. Let me mark out the zones here. So we're going to set the stop loss. Let me see. Oh my god, we're shooting down. What the hell? 64, first TP is hit. 62. 60. And I want to aim this lows here, the 50 mark. Insane. TP1 is hit, guys. It's going so fast right now, I can't even put 62 mark. Is the 62 mark hit? No. Let me close some positions. $62. 62. To 60 and the 50 mark. Deep in profits. So the 64 mark we just hit in here. 62 mark here. 60 mark here. And the 50 mark down here. So we are pushing down like insane, boys. So TP1 is hit. TP1. TP2. TP3. Come on, bro. Everything is messing up today here. TP2 is also hit, bro. Like, I just wanted to... Come on, bro. Like, this is insane. Let me just copy this icon, man. Thank you. TP2 is also hit, guys. I'm going to set my stop loss on break even now. Let me mark out TP3, the 60 mark alarm. Oh, it's not necessary. We already... Yes, we already hit TP3. Let me post this real quick in TP2, TP2 and TP3. And now let's go for the final TP, and then we recovered some of the losses. Because this was the move I was expecting, but we was really early in the entry. So, as I told you before, guys, New York loves to hunt liquidity and then reverse. And it exactly did this. It go for the liquidity in the top and then reversed. 66.93. Let me set my break even. 66.93. So, and TP4 down here. I want that 50 mark. I want that 50 mark. So unlucky for the rest, guys, that we just hit the stop loss really early in the first trade. But this was the move I was looking for. Like, New York is going in one direction, looking for liquidity and pulling down, you know, because to get the early ones. So stop loss is on break even. We have nothing to risk here anymore. And when take profit 4 hits, I have recovered my previous trade because I increased a little bit the lot size here at this trade. Because of this reaction that the market have done is a big reaction. So let's go for the 50 mark. But tough enough to tank again. Exactly. Come on. Are you coming live tomorrow? Yes, exactly. Hey, new year. Hey, what's up, princess? Welcome to the channel. New subscriber. Let's go. Let's go. Our community is growing. Make sure to join the free Telegram group also to don't have any delay with the signals I'm posting in. I'm happy. Thank you so much for the support. Market direction is fine. Oh, man. Next time we wait a little bit longer and look at the prices going down like insane. Man, this was a fast one. Fast, big candle. First setup failed, second one, take profit 3. How far down do you think it will go? Well, I expect that they are going to hit this daily, no, the 1 hour trend line. The 1 hour time frame, we have this beautiful trend line. New York love to get also the early liquidity from the downside. Push further up. But let's see if they have enough selling power to reach the zone. That's the reason why I'm targeting the take profit 4 target down here. And we have the previous daily high as this mark here. So this will be beautiful when we just touch it. So, guys, winning, failing is part of the business. Okay? There are days, there are rough days at the moment. Which can lead to some losses too. And we need to be fine with that. As soon as we have our confidence up, we are indestructible. So this is the reason what I call aggressive sellers. As you can see here in the past, the way the market pushed down. New York decided to dip into the zone and see this reaction here. The problem we had in the previous trade, we entered really early because of this spike, but this was not the true confirmation. So we can make analyses and our mistakes also. We have to wait until we get really dipped inside the certain zone and get this certain reaction. But you know, in this kind of reaction, we need to be fast, because look at this. This is just one 5-minute candle, and look at the size of one candle, man. Look at the size of this candle. And this is the reason why you have to be really fast in the markets. Look at this. This is almost like this is 900 pips. 900 pips move in one 5-minute candle. I couldn't even set my take profit targets and mark this out here. It's going so fast. So currently we are ditching and touching this moving average, which is the market is trying to break this level. Getting a certain reaction in the 1-minute time frame. We are below the EMA. We have a really steep bearish move. And the 5 minutes is also really, really bearish. Let's see. If they reverse from here and pushing further up, man, then you know New York is insane, man. New York is crazy, crazy. Killing all retail traders. Beautiful, beautiful. So guys, let the trade play out a little bit. I'm be right back in like 3 minutes, okay? So, as you can see, New York is still going bearish at this point, guys. What is happening here? I hope it fills that gap. Yes, that would be nice. You see the certain reaction on this EMA, the moving average, is insane. It's the reason why I love this indicator so much, man. You see always some certain reaction on this, like 80% you have some reactions on this EMA indicator. New York session is always hard to trade, guys. Always. Tomorrow I try to come a little bit more early so we don't trade New York session. We try to catch a nice move in the London session. So the win streak was set back to 0, but now we have again one win streak, like one winning trade. So we are back at 1. So I don't need to change anything. Literally, yes. So I'm not sure if this was the move from New York. And reversing here, we have 2 minutes 50 to go with the New York session. Man, we have a certain resistance here. You see this? It's just this area here. And this one that we call the fair value gap in the 1 minute. $100, 100. Who's spamming 100? Chat is going crazy. Me. Okay, I see. That's sweet. Thank you for hyping up this live stream here. Man, I'm so hungry, man. I need to make something to eat. I am hungry. So 1 minute, 10 to go. Come on. Come on, I want to see another big ass candle which is going to push the shit out of the trade. I want to hit that TP4. Let's go. Last minute candle. I see it's going bearish on my MetaTrader. Now it's going bullish. Let's go. Business of patience, man. Ah, man, it's not pissing me off, but I'm just a little bit sad that we lost that first one. Because I want to push up the win streak again, you know? I want to go above 10. Would be really nice. because since the last days of December and the first days of January, it seems a little bit struggling. But this is a part of the business. No win rate or profitability is constant. There's always some moves, but I think we are still above 80% win rate. Need to check out my trading journal later on. Well, that's exactly where the price reacted on it. It's the 50% mark. From this up move to this top is the 50% mark, and the Fibonacci tool is this zone here. Price dipped into the zone on the 50% mark and seems like it want to reverse and go hunt for new highs now. What is the 50-minute candle says? 50-minute really bearish. And still 3 minutes 50 for the 50-minute candle to go. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. I'm going to make some food right now. 1 second. Okay, seems like New York want to reverse. Interesting. Interesting, my friends. Oh, one second. I got a phone call. Yeah. New York session? Yeah.
So we are looking for some buys, okay. Yeah, well, I'm currently in a trade, so it will be nice when we can push the price more down so we can hit the 50 mark. Yeah, because I have some viewers, on YouTube. 9 people are watching me, so it would be perfect. Okay, thank you. Yep.
Sorry, guys. A quick phone call. So they told me they're gonna push the price now down. I hope it's fine for you when I'm eating, guys. I'm really hungry. Sorry. Let's go. You see? Market is reacting on my phone call. We have a break. Great. So I told them to go bearish now. So they're executing it for me now, So what we have to do is, will be nice when this 5-minute candle and this 1 minute that is still opening 15 seconds, closing below this EMA and below this previous low candles, we have a high chance to break through the zone and we're going steep down, guys. We have the first crack. We are pushing through it. 35 seconds to go. $20 seconds. Beautiful. So this was just a little pullback. Confidence is key. Confidence is key. Oh no, look at this reaction. In the last 5 seconds. Crazy reaction at this point. But we still slip through it. It's fine. Let's see. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Yes. By the way, we have a lot of volume here in this zone right now. There's up and downs. Like this insane fast moves means there are a lot of orders inside this specific area right now. There's a war going on between buyers and sellers right now. This is what I see. Hey, Princess. For how long you've been trading? Are you only doing copy trading? Are you learning trading currently, or what about you and trading? Crazy push right now. Look at this. For me, this, guys, it's the perfect example for a messed up market, man. Actually, I don't want to sit in here. But luckily, we made already some decent profits. We recovered some of our previous loss. Less than a year, I copy leverage of AI scanners, and I'm also learning. So you're trading with AI. Yes, and learn too. Definitely learned a lot and still have a lot to learn. I get it. So guys, I think I'm going to end the live stream because price is going to hit my break even. On the phone call they fooled me. But it's fine. We made some profits. We lost one trade. We win one trade. And hopefully we're going to recover some of the losses tomorrow also. And aiming for a new win streak. Because this is part of this business, guys. We lose, we win. As soon as we win more than we lose, everything is fine. There is nothing we have to rush, people, okay? Loving's going out. Princess, thank you for joining our community. Make sure to join the Telegram group where you can copy my signals. As soon as we hit 250 people in the group is going to be closed. And the first 250 people is going to get a LTA, which means a lifetime access to my Telegram signals. And every people who's coming afterwards, they have to pay a monthly subscription fee for the signals. So make sure to join and to not have any delays. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Love is going out. And we see each other tomorrow. All right? Bye-bye, guys.